Welcome to another video by My Sales Job, a channel dedicated to the progress of salespeople. We try to make learning easy and simple for you. Senior salespeople and sales management can use this video to train their juniors and sales staff. The main benefit of a profession in sales is the potential for endless money. Typically, we are paid by receiving sales orders and, of course, by collecting payments as well. We want to earn as much money as possible and fulfill all of our desires. The best strategy is to grow our company's businesses and generate more commissions or earnings. Select the approaches that are most practical for your current skill level and work on improving yourself for the balance. Let's get started now. 10 practical ways to increase business. 1. Reconnect with former clients. Everything old can be made new again, even if a customer did not buy from you in a while. Regularly review your client connections, and after 3 months or more without a conversation or transaction, engage dormant consumers by phone, email, or direct mail with a unique offer. They will appreciate that you thought of them and wanted to win them back. 2. Revisit your lost prospects before. They might not be ready to purchase at that time due to many reasons like finance, manpower, and other reasons. They may be ready now or dissatisfied with the current product or service bought. 3. Request recommendations. One of the best ways to gain new clients is through referrals, but if you wait around for your present clients to recommend their friends and family, it can take a while. Write or call them directly. Send a follow-up email, for instance, asking for a recommendation after a customer has received a purchase from your company. If possible, offer additional free services or introducer incentives to them. A satisfied client is your best salesman to promote your products and services. If you like this video, do press the like button, share, and subscribe. Let's continue. 4. Collaborate with companies that are complementary to each other. Plan how you can target each other's clients to bring in new business by collaborating with companies that serve comparable clientele but aren't direct competitors. A travel luggage website and a website for travel agencies, for instance, can collaborate to give deals and discounts to each other's customers. 5. Promote your area of expertise. By promoting your specialized knowledge, you can attract attention and new clients. Your subject expertise will be displayed by taking part in industry panel discussions or online webinars, speaking at industry events or to groups your target clients belong to, or holding educational sessions or workshops. 6. Network. Participate in business and networking groups and events that are pertinent to your market and your clients to generate some good old-fashioned word of mouth. Don't approach networking with a "what's in it for me" mentality. Instead, ask yourself, how can I help others? By considering how you may be of service, you can create connections that bring in new clients. 7. Make your website better. Nowadays, online searches are the main method used by both consumers and B2B buyers to find new firms. This means that in order to draw in new clients, your website must work really hard. Make a quick check of your website to make sure the design, content, images, and SEO are current. A website design business and/or SEO specialist are worth hiring if this isn't your area of expertise. 8. Make use of online testimonials. Do customers provide reviews for your company online? Make the most of your reviews by cultivating them. Promote Yelp reviews on your website and in-store signs to encourage people to do so, or wherever the reviews are. New clients are more likely to give your business a try if they see others praising it, since the social proof is so persuasive. 9. Offer exclusively new clients discounts and incentives. Startup promotions, risk-free trials, or giveaway free lessons. Free lessons might stir their curiosity and interest. By giving potential customers a risk-free way to try your goods or services, you can entice them to come inside. Keep track of which clients take advantage of the special deal, and then send them marketing messages encouraging and luring them to continue making purchases from you. 10. Bring a companion. Offer 2 for 1, buy 1, get 1 free, or bring a friend discounts to encourage your regulars to bring in new clients. To draw in more customers, a restaurant might, for instance, run a buy 1 entree, get the second for free promotion. Do let people know you're trying to expand your customer base. You can even get more specific, like, invite a buddy to sample our new happy hour deals. There are undoubtedly a few solutions above that will add more benefits and revenue to your company. To determine how you can use them successfully, talk to your partners and the management team. Do factor in the time and expense involved. This is the end of this video. Look out for our next video. If you like this video, do press the like button, share, and subscribe. You can help this channel to grow by buying me a coffee. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Happy selling.